Now, we would like to invite on stage our student, Abdi Ahmed Ebrahim, to share his experiences with us. Abdi Ahmed Ebrahim, please.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, honored guests, esteemed faculty, and my fellow graduates. First of all, I would like to say congratulations to class of 2024. Today, we stand at threshold of new chapter in our life, and I'm filled with overwhelming sense of pride and gratitude. This journey has been extraordinary, and it is a privilege to share this moment with all of you. My journey began in Ethiopia, a land of rich culture, heritage, and history. From Ethiopia, I traveled to India, a country equally rich in heritage and diversity, to pursue my education at Arika University. Moving to a new country was both challenging and blessing. The hospitality of Indian people made this transition smoother and soon adaptable. Studying Bachelor of Pharmacy has been an incredible experience for me. Throughout these years, I have acquired profound knowledge about pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and research skills. The well-organized curriculum and the practical experience have prepared me well for the future ahead. As I'm returning to my country, Ethiopia, I'm going to do my part to fulfill my responsibilities as pharmacist. I aim to contribute to pharmaceutical field by ensuring that quality medicine is accessible and available for all. As I stand here, I reminded that this achievement is not mine alone. It is the result of continuous support from several incredible individuals. First and foremost, I would like to thank my father, Ahmed Ebrahim, and my mother, Huleila Umar. Your sacrifice, encouragement, and endless love has been my foundation. You have always believed in me, and I am eternally grateful for that. I would also like to extend my thanks to Siraj Jamal. Your motivation and support have been precious throughout this journey. My deepest appreciation to all faculties of School of Pharmacy for guiding us every step of the way. Again, Mr. Deval sir, your support has made my experience at Arika University fulfilling and enriching. I and my fellow Ethiopians, we are really grateful for your support throughout these 4 years. Lastly, to all my friends, thank you for being a pillar of my support and for being my extended family. Finally, as we leave this institution, let us continue to be lifelong learner and agent of change in our community. Once again, congratulations to class of 2024. Thank you.
Thank you, Abdi Ahmed Ebrahim.